Hi, I'm Bridget. I've been working for Realtors of Excellence for the last 8 years. What I love about this company is that the CEO and all the partners are young and they're dynamic. They're always learning new ways to make our company better and different. We are the first tech-savvy and iCloud company in South Africa. People are always willing to innovate, create, and willing to change. What we are finding in this area is that we're really starting to boom. We're finding it's a very young crowd that is moving into the area. There's a lot of great schools here to offer to the clients, from government schools to private schools. We've got a brand new food lovers market that's one of the biggest in South Africa. People are very happy with the MyCiTi bus because the transport goes within the residential areas as well. It goes to town and to the airport. People are, no matter where you live in this area, you are not that far from the beachfront, which also has restaurants and a nightlife for the younger crowd.